Namaskar, hello. Welcome to our course English for Personal and Professional Development. I'm Dr. Neha, and today we are going to look at another aspect of communication, that is speaking skills. All of us want to be very good speakers. All of us want to be impressive speakers. क्योंकि हम ये समझते हैं कि अगर हमारी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी हैं, इसका मतलब है हम बहुत अच्छे स्पीकर्स। सो ऐसी कुछ भ्रांतियाँ, ऐसे कुछ ट्रेड्स, ऐसी कुछ स्किल्स आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ इस लेक्चर में। सो दिस लेक्चर विल हैव सर्टेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स आर contextualizing speaking skills in LSRW. That means कम्युनिकेशन के स्पेक्ट्रम में स्पीकिंग कहाँ आता है। नंबर 2, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द फंक्शंस ऑफ स्पीकिंग. Why should we speak? A very simple question, but it isn't. Number 3, tracing the purpose of public speaking. Today, public speaking is also emerging as a career for a lot of people. So we need to understand what is public speaking. And finally, we will trace the ways to approach the skills, that means mapping speaking skills. How can we enhance, how can we improve our speaking skills? So let's start. चलिए मैं आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ. This story is about two boys, Jack and John. Jack and John had a mentor. So one day, Jack went to his mentor और उसने अपने mentor से पूछा, Can I smoke when I'm praying? So the mentor was surprised. Mentor was very annoyed. He said, No, you cannot. When he came, he asked his friend that he said, No. The mentor said, No, you cannot do it. What do I do? His friend said, Don't worry. तुम चिंता मत करो, मैं बात करता हूँ. So his friend went to his mentor and asked, Can I pray when I am smoking? And the mentor was very happy. Mentor said, Why not? And look at the situation. The same thing is happening, only the words have changed. Only the communication pattern has changed. Only the way of speaking has changed. So this means the way you speak can change the world around you. आप अपने आसपास की कई चीजें बदल सकते हैं अगर आपको सही बात करने का तरीका आता है. So this is just an example to highlight why speaking skills are important. We now come to the question, what are speaking skills? How do we understand? See, communication में दो तरह की skills होती हैं. One is receptive. That means when you are not doing anything, you are receiving. तो ये होता है listening और reading. Whenever we are listening or whenever we are reading, we are actually at the receiving end. Speaking, on the other hand, is a very productive skill. Speaking and writing, these are productive skills because you are producing. You are contributing. And that is why it is more challenging at times. Because you're always under the scan. You're always under a test. हमेशा आप एक performance में लगे रहते हैं. And that is why it is very important that we know how to speak. So what is speaking? It is very important to understand the definition. Speaking is a complex. I have underlined the term complex, which means ये आसान नहीं है. It is very difficult to practice it. It is very difficult to perform it. It is a cognitive and linguistic skill. This means both your mind and language, they are involved. जब भी आप speaking में involved हैं, दोनों चीजें काम कर रही हैं, आपका दिमाग और आपकी language. Then speaking is a verbal skill that involves words and sounds. Now see, words and sounds तो animals भी produce करते हैं, but we human beings have a language. Animals do not have a sophisticated language, and that is why we are superior to animals in that case. And speaking is the skill that makes human beings different from animals. And that is what the point is. Sounds कोई भी निकाल सकता है, भाषा सबके पास नहीं होती. So this is a blessing that all of us have got from God. So we need to respect this blessing. We need to improve ourselves every day so that the blessing that we have received from the Almighty, we are able to make it better day by day. हमारी यही कोशिश होनी चाहिए कि ये जो गिफ्ट हमें भगवान के द्वारा मिली है, इसको हम और बेहतर से बेहतर बना पाए. फंक्शंस ऑफ स्पीकिंग. हम स्पीकिंग क्यों करते हैं? ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं दिन में जिनके कारण आप देखेंगे आप लोगों से बातचीत कर रहे हैं. नंबर 1, इट मे बी एन इंटरैक्शन बिकॉज वी आर सोशल बीइंग्स. हम ग्रुप्स में रहते हैं, हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं, हमें दूसरों के साथ इंटरैक्ट करना. वी हैव गॉट अ सोफेस्टिकेटेड लैंग्वेज और उस लैंग्वेज में प्यार है, गुस्सा है, नफरत है, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिनके थ्रू हम अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. बट बिलीव मी, अगर गुस्से में कही गई चीज़ को भी ढंग से एक्सप्रेस किया जाए तो दूसरे को बुरा नहीं लगता. सो दैट इज़ वाई दिस इंटरैक्शन इज़ अ वे, इज़ अ फंक्शन ऑफ स्पीकिंग दैट वी ऑल फॉलो. उसके बाद वी डू स्पीकिंग बिकॉज हमें काम करना है. वी हैव टू ट्रांजैक्ट विद पीपल. हमें बिजनेस करना है, हमें जॉब्स करनी है. एंड दिस ऑल दीज प्रोफेशनल एक्टिविटीज़ परफॉर्म द फंक्शन ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन. किसी से काम निकलवाना, किसी का काम करना is transaction in that. And that is why we need to be very good speakers. And finally, it is performance. As a teacher, I do this performance every day when I'm delivering my lecture before my students. A politician giving his speech before a crowd is also a performance. A politician will never be able to impress the audience if his speaking style is not good. The politician will never be able to pull the crowd. उस crowd को वो अपनी तरफ आकर्षित नहीं कर पाएंगे अगर उनमें वो गुण नहीं है जो एक अच्छे स्पीकर में होना चाहिए. And that is the reason we see every politician knows this art. So we also have to learn this. आप में से बहुत सारे लोग सोचते होंगे, बहुत सारे लोगों का ये सपना होगा कि हम भी कभी स्टेज पे ऑडिटोरियम के सामने एक अच्छी सी स्पीच. दिस काइंड ऑफ अ स्पीकिंग इज कॉल्ड पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग क्यों करी जाती है? पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के कई सारे कारण हो सकते हैं. वाई डू आई बिकम अ पब्लिक स्पीकर? आई मे वॉन्ट टू इन्फॉर्म. दैट मीन्स इफ आई एम अ न्यूज रीडर, आई एम अ पब्लिक स्पीकर, but I'm informing. I may want to entertain people. Entertainment is also one of the reasons why people get into public speaking. Then I may want to persuade others. किसी को किसी काम के लिए मनाना is persuasion. So I want to be a public speaker because I want to persuade. So our country had this program called polio drops function. So this program could not be completed if people were not persuaded. लोगों के पीछे पड़ा गया कि आपको ये ज़रूरी है that you have to get yourself vaccinated against polio. And that is why people could do this. The same thing is happening these days when we are facing the pandemic. Then we also educate people, and that is why we are called public speakers. As I told you, as a teacher, I am performing a performance, and this is also to educate others and to stimulate. आपके अंदर कुछ भाव जगाने के लिए भी public speaking हो सकती है. Many of you can be good poets, many of you can be very good storytellers, and this is to trigger, this is to stimulate certain emotions. So you can be a very good public speaker, and public speaking these days is a very good career. The best example is the lot of videos that we receive from these motivational speakers. They get a lot of money for what they speak for the public. Now, I want to be a good speaker. What are the two things that we need to keep in mind? There are two aspects: what to speak and how to speak. मैं क्या बोलूं और कैसे बोलूं. These are the two things that we need to take care of, because your content is also very important and your style is also very important. So we are going to look at both the things in detail. Whenever we talk about what to speak का मतलब है आपका content. आप क्या substance देने वाले हैं सामने वाले को when you perform as a speaker. इसमें कई चीज़ें शामिल हैं. That means motive in terms of reason and context. आप क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? Are you going to express something? Are you going to inform? Are you going to persuade? There has to be a reason in your mind, and this reason will give you a guideline what to speak about. Then the setting. Setting is also very important. Are we speaking in a formal context or an informal context? हम सभी जानते हैं formal language is different from informal language. So हमें ये ध्यान रखना है when I am in a formal setting, I am not supposed to use informal language and vice versa. Then meaning. Am I going to give a direct meaning or the audience is going to get meaning as per their choice? So if I am a poet and I am reciting my poetry, I am not going to give a direct meaning to my audience. I am just doing my job as a speaker and the audience has to derive the meaning on their own. So this is what the case is. What is the meaning? Right? Let's move. Next comes the question of how to speak. कैसे बोलें? Whenever we approach the topic from this angle, we have to follow these four things. We have to take care of first fluency. Fluency का मतलब है कि आप कितने आराम से, कितनी easily अपनी बात को over a certain period of time बोल सकते हैं. अगर आपके बोलने में बार बार ब्रेक लग रहे हैं, आपको बार बार सोचना पड़ रहा है, you are not a fluent speaker. As a teacher of English, I can tell you a lot of students who are struggling to gain fluency in English. Fluency इसलिए नहीं आ पाती because they keep on framing the sentence in their mind. First they frame the sentence, they translate the sentence from Hindi to English and then they speak it. And then also they have this fear, am I right or wrong? This will definitely hamper your fluency. Vocabulary, अगर आपको अपने शब्द नहीं मिल रहे अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, आपको शब्दों के लिए बार बार सोचना पड़ रहा है, believe me, it is again going to hamper. You are not going to speak well if your vocabulary is not up to the mark. Vocabulary अच्छी तब मानी जाती है when your vocabulary has a range, when your vocabulary has a variety. For example, if you want to say this is important, there are hundreds and thousands of ways in which we can replace this word important with other words. This will bring variety to your speaking, and that is why pay attention to vocabulary. Then comes the role of grammar. Grammar is something people are really scared of, or they think that because मेरी grammar बहुत अच्छी है, मेरी speaking भी बहुत अच्छी है. Well, this is also a myth. ये भी एक झूठ है. Grammar will give you correctness. Grammar will give you accuracy. But it does not mean that you will gain fluency because your grammar is right. All the four components have an equal share in making you a better speaker. And finally, pronunciation. English is a global language. If you want to achieve good communication skills, particularly in English, you need to work on your pronunciation as well. Because if our pronunciation is wrong, we may not be able to understand, or we may not be able to transfer the exact meaning what we want to say. Both things can happen. Faulty pronunciation has a role that can play havoc in making you a better speaker. So please pay attention to all these. So finally, a few tips how to become a good speaker. सबसे पहले, be ready to make mistakes. जब आपने साइकिल चलानी सीखी थी, जब आपने स्विमिंग करनी सीखी थी, क्या आप पहले दिन से ही बेटर साइकिलर और बेटर स्विमर बन गए थे? नहीं. आप कई बार गिरे, आप कई बार संभले, और इसी तरह से लैंग्वेज में भी आपको तैयार रहना चाहिए कि आप कई मिस्टेक्स करें. Mistakes are not going to assign a character on you. Mistake से ये हम नहीं कहेंगे कि आप एक अच्छे speaker नहीं हैं, because failures are ultimately the pillars of success. जितनी गलती करेंगे उतनी ही language पक्की है. Next, it is very important. Think in the target language. So suppose if English is your target language, always think. Better idea is when you are moving and you are observing. देखो कितनी हरियाली है. Wow, it is so green. So instead of thinking in Hindi, think in the target language, and that will help you prepare more sentences. That will help you remove this fear of the target language. Then start with shorter sentences. शुरुआत में छोटे छोटे sentences and धीरे धीरे अपनी range को आगे बढ़ाइए. Read and listen the target language. English में गाने सुनिए, किताबें पढ़िए. ऐसा बहुत सारा literature है, बहुत सारे resources हैं जिनके थ्रू हम अपनी English को सुधार सकते हैं. There are many listening apps. चलते फिरते 5-6 मिनट के listening conversations अपने कान में earplugs के थ्रू सुन लीजिए, and that will give you that sense. That will give you that ease. समझने में आपको आसानी होगी. Become a part of a conversation group. ये हमारे टीचर भी कहा करते थे. जब हम टीचर बने हैं हम भी कहते हैं form a group. Talk to them. Talk to each other in English in your target language and see the wonders. Within 3 months you will see that a lot of hesitation has gone away and you're ready to face the world. Then finally, substitute phrasal verbs to general words. As I told you, vocabulary also plays a very important role in our conversation. So if you want to enhance your conversation skills, please replace good words, phrasal words. You can use idioms, you can use phrases to replace the general words which are spoken by everyone. Then create a full-time exposure. अपने आसपास एक ऐसा माहौल हमें बनाना है जहाँ पे हम इंग्लिश में जीते हैं, सोते हैं, खाते पीते हैं. That means पूरे दिन भर में एक मेजर चंक ऑफ टाइम हम इंग्लिश को सुनने, बोलने, पढ़ने और लिखने में डिवोट करें. This will create an exposure for yourself, and this exposure is going to help you a lot. Finally, take the first step. So if your dream is to become the public speaker, there has to be some point of time जहाँ से आप शुरुआत करें. And believe me, beginning is the only difficult thing. Once you have begun, everything is fine. Everything is smooth.